Hello, and today is a second video about the Riga 26 mini clutch. In the last video we dismantled the clutch to find the fault that moped did not have any drive, and then we found that this gear wheel had come loose from the clutch basket. And what had happened is it's welded like this in here, and that was all like broken. So the hub with the gears to the gearbox was loose from the clutch basket. And I wasn't sure what to do, so I also bought a new clutch. I will show it a little bit later. But then I thought I will give it a go and try to repair it. So I have welded the gear tooth back to the clutch basket. And what did I do is I measured this height here, and it was 1 millimeter. And then I ground it down a little bit, the hub or the tooth gear piece. And then I welded here on top like so, all around solid weld. And then later I put this clutch basket on a column drilling machine on a level edge, and then I had a flat grinding stone and I grounded down this welding here until this measurement became 1 millimeter again as it was before. And this is how it looks now. Then another thing, inside this gear tooth hub you have also some oil channels, if you can see, yes, there. So also in here you have to file in these oil channels, otherwise the oil will not flow properly. And then if this is all done, it's ready to be mounted back on a moped. And here is the original assembly drawing for this clutch. This washer and the bush are on crankshaft. Then it's got a clutch basket. Then you have a washer. And then you have the clutch, this holding plate. Then you have sun wheel, metal disc, sun wheel, metal disc, sun wheel, metal disc. Then you have the hub, spring, and then you have these pins that hold the pressure plate on the clutch. And I have all the parts here for assembly, but I thought I also talk a little bit about clutch sun wheels or clutch discs. This is the most typical one. This is like plasticky material. I'm not sure what is this material. It's very smooth. There is not like abrasive something or something like that. Then you have ferroceramic ones you can also get. I've never used that ones. Then you see here a bronze ones, and this is on Soviet times when people couldn't get their hands on new these sun wheels or clutch discs. They would do this by hand. So as you can see, it's completely from brass. It's exactly the same as the original disc. The oil grooves are done, everything is done. I never run this moped with a clutch like this, but I still have them. My father made them when he had a moped very, very long time ago, and I still have these plates. And maybe at one point I will use them, but I'm a little bit afraid to use them because if you get some wear, you get the brass dust in your oil, and then this brass dust will be everywhere because it's the same oil that's in the gearbox. So I'm not very happy to use those, but would be fun to find out will it even work. I'm sure it will work, but how long it lasts and so on. But this is one of the options what people did in older times. So you have this plastic material, then you have metalloceramic, this clutch plates, and you can do also like this. Then a couple of words about the new clutch, and if you've seen my other moped videos, then you have heard me say many times that the quality of these things what you order is poor. They are not comparable to Western or Japanese parts or anything like that. So even now, when I ordered new clutch, because originally the clutch hub is made of steel. This is made of steel. And I got the new clutch. There is nothing in the description that there is change in materials or anything like it. Just picture of a clutch like this, the price, and that's it. And I ordered it. Otherwise it's all okay. The clutch basket is steel, and as you can see it's also welded there. The clutch plates are the same, everything is the same except the hub. And as you can see, hub is cast aluminum, and all the power goes through these small gears. I'm not sure this is going to last. Also, I've never tried aluminum before because this part has never broken down because it is of steel. But beware, if you order, you can get this kind of things. It fits on an engine, no problem. Measurements are the same, but it is just, and it looks, it's like a soft aluminum. It's nothing special, and it shouldn't be aluminum because all the power goes through these small gears here. And I'm really a little bit disappointed that this kind of thing is done and it's not mentioned. Maybe I wouldn't order this if I would have known. As you can see, the casting is also not that good, but never mind. And another thing I saw that is different is, as I said here, this inner hub is like about 1 millimeter higher than the bottom of the clutch basket. But here it's completely flat. There is no lip at all. If anything, it's uneven lip, like this side is a little bit higher than this is completely flat. So with this clutch you probably have to have some kind of distance washer. Here is also a washer as I showed on the assembly drawing, but this must be probably thicker. So once again, if you order parts for these, be ready to receive not quality parts, and you get the new one, you put it in, it runs for a while and then it's broken again. And I bought this clutch, let's say 1 month ago, 1.5 months ago. It cost 39 euros. Now the same clutch in the same shop is already 50 euros. So prices are higher and higher and higher, and quality is going lower and lower. But anyhow, if you want to keep this kind of old machines running, this is what you have to deal with. And for next step, obviously I'm going to assemble the clutch, put in oil, and then we can do a test ride. But that's it for today. I just wanted to show how I fixed the broken clutch and the new one that I've ordered. And that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next videos.